Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get a perfect soap recipe using a soap calculator. When making soap, it's very important that you have the exact amount of ingredient that you want. It's very important to follow a recipe because any mistake can spoil your soap. So we're going to be using a soap calculator to get this. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, comment to my channel, and I'll be giving you very lovely educative videos. So but first of all, I'm going to go to Google right now to get the soap the soap calculator. Yes, so we're going to go to Google right now. I'm trying to get to my Google page right now. So here, we're going to this is the website. This is the calculator website here, soap calc. So what you put into your search place is soap calc. So once the soap calc comes up, you click on it. Then as it's open like this, you go to get started. I think you can see get started here. So we're going to click on that get started. So getting started. So look at getting started here again, up here. So we're going to click on it. You go to recipe calculator here. Yes, so this is the recipe calculator right here. So we'll go to number one. If you look closely, let me zoom in. If you look, so I'll just go to, this is number one, types of lye. I'm using sodium hydroxide, which is the first one, so I'll click on it. Then number two here, I'll be using grams as my measurement, so I'll put in grams. So I'm going to be using 1000 grams of oils. Then in the water side, it's going to be 38% water as percent of oil to be 38. That's the usual amount which is being used. Then in number four here, I'm going to remove fragrance. I just put as I want, so I'll just remove that number. Then as for super fat, this super fat is what will give the soap the moisturizing qualities, so I'll be leaving it at 5. Yes, so we come to number 5 here. This is the fatty acids. That's the qualities of the soap. The oils you'll be using in the soap, these are the fatty acids that will be contained in the soap. So these are the number values. So we're going to go to these oils, fats and waxes. We'll check it. So these are all the types of oils you can use, and it has so much options. So we're going to use, let's see, we can use we're going to be using palm oil. Let me check for palm oil. Use palm oil. Yes, so I'll click on the palm oil and go to this add button, and it will come up here. And then I'll be using let's say 400 grams of palm oil. Then I'll go back here to check for other oils. Okay, let's say use let me see, shea butter. Shea butter is really nice in soap. Then I'll go to my add button and it will come up here. I can say let's use 300 gram of shea butter. So I'll go back. Let's say, okay, let me use sunflower oil. I'll go to add button. I'll be using, let's say, let's just call it 300 gram of sunflower oil. So everything is going to total that's 100, then 1000 gram of oil. So after that, now we'll just go to our calculate recipe. So I'll click on this calculate recipe and then click on view or print recipe. So yes, so this is my recipe now, which is here out now. So you can see in water, in the place of water, you can see water here. You can see that is water. This side where I'm highlighting here, you can see that water is 380 grams. That's the total amount of water I'll be using. Then for the lye is 128 gram of lye, which is sodium hydroxide. The oils, which is the total of 1000 gram. So it has brought it out here for me. So this is the amount I will use in grams. Then coming to my oils, we can see it here, that's down here. This place here, you can see it here, the total amount of grams here. Then in my soap bar qualities, you can see hardness 38, which is okay. Cleansing, you can see it is 0. Conditioning is 62. So this is just I'm just showing you an example how to use the soap calculator. To get a cleansing bar, you need to have like coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good. Castor oil, olive oil. This is what will give your soap the cleansing qualities. And this is just an example. You can see that my oils, there's no coconut oil there, so I'm just using it as an example to show you how to use the soap calculator. So with this soap calculator, you can get the perfect recipe for formulating of your soap bars. Yes, instead of just putting in different numbers, that will maybe result in a faulty soap or a soap that is not good. So it's advisable to use your soap calculator when trying to formulate a bar soap. So I think we're done here. So yes, this is how to use a soap calculator. If you go to my videos, you see a video of how to make bar soap. Yes, so this is it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and comment to my channel. Thank you very much. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.